Avocados are a unique and delicious fruit. More than just a tasty treat, avocados are a true superfood. They're packed with nutrients that are incredibly beneficial for your health, especially your heart. Unlike many other fruits, avocados are rich in healthy fats. These good fats are essential for a healthy heart and overall well-being. Incorporating avocados into your diet is a delicious way to support your cardiovascular system. Think of avocados as a gift from nature to help you live a longer, healthier life. By understanding the powerful benefits of this superfood, you can make informed choices to improve your heart health. Avocados are bursting with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These green gems are not just delicious, but also incredibly nutritious, making them a staple in many health-conscious diets around the world. They are an excellent source of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. This type of fat is known for its heart-healthy benefits and is a key component in the Mediterranean diet, which is often praised for its positive impact on cardiovascular health. Oleic acid has been linked to lower cholesterol levels and reduced risk of heart disease. Studies have shown that incorporating avocados into your diet can help improve your lipid profile, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. Fiber is another important nutrient found abundantly in avocados. Just one avocado provides a significant portion of your daily fiber needs, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Fiber aids digestion, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and keeps you feeling full and satisfied after meals. This makes avocados an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight or improve their overall digestive health. Avocados also provide a good dose of potassium, a mineral crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Potassium helps balance the effects of sodium in your diet, which can help prevent hypertension. Vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin E, and folate are also present in avocados. These vitamins play a vital role in supporting your immune system, skin health, and even prenatal development. These vitamins act as antioxidants, protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants are essential for reducing inflammation and preventing chronic diseases. Adding avocados to your diet is like giving your body a powerful dose of natural goodness. Whether you enjoy them in salads, smoothies, or simply on toast, avocados offer a versatile and delicious way to boost your nutrient intake and support your overall health. Beyond their nutritional benefits, avocados are also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They can be used in a variety of dishes, from savory to sweet, adding a creamy texture and rich flavor that enhances any meal. From classic guacamole to innovative avocado-based desserts, the possibilities are endless. Their creamy texture makes them a perfect substitute for less healthy fats in recipes, allowing you to enjoy your favorite dishes with a nutritious twist. Including avocados in your family's diet can be a fun and delicious way to ensure everyone gets their essential nutrients. Kids and adults alike can benefit from the myriad of health advantages that avocados offer. Avocados are not just for eating, they also have amazing benefits for your skin. Many skincare products incorporate avocado oil for its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a popular ingredient in natural beauty routines. The journey of an avocado from farm to table is a testament to its global popularity. Farmers around the world cultivate avocados with care, ensuring that these nutrient-packed fruits reach your kitchen in perfect condition. So, the next time you slice into a ripe avocado, remember that you're not just enjoying a delicious fruit, but also reaping a bounty of health benefits. Embrace the versatility and nutritional power of avocados in your daily diet. Numerous studies have confirmed the heart-healthy benefits of avocados. Research shows that regular consumption of avocados can help lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and increase HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. Avocados' rich potassium content plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure. By lowering blood pressure, avocados contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system and reduce the risk of stroke. The fiber in avocados further supports heart health by promoting healthy digestion and blood sugar control. Including avocados in your diet is a proactive step towards a healthier heart. The scientific evidence clearly demonstrates the positive impact avocados can have on your cardiovascular well-being. Incorporating avocados into your meals is easier than you think. This versatile fruit can be used in a variety of dishes, adding both nutrition and flavor to your diet. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, avocados can elevate your meals effortlessly. Their creamy texture and mild flavor make them incredibly versatile. You can use them in both sweet and savory dishes, making them a staple in many kitchens around the world. From breakfast to dinner, avocados can be a key ingredient in your culinary creations. For a simple and nutritious breakfast, try avocado toast. This popular dish is not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients. Avocado toast can be customized to your liking, whether you prefer it plain or topped with additional ingredients like tomatoes, radishes, or even a poached egg. Simply mash some avocado onto whole grain toast and season with salt and pepper. For an extra kick, you can add a sprinkle of chili flakes or a drizzle of olive oil. The combination of creamy avocado and crunchy toast is sure to satisfy your taste buds and keep you full until lunchtime. Add diced avocado to your salads for a boost of healthy fats and flavor. Avocados pair well with a variety of salad ingredients, from leafy greens to grains and proteins. They add a rich, buttery texture that complements the crispness of fresh vegetables. Create a refreshing and satisfying smoothie by blending avocado with fruits, vegetables, and your choice of milk or yogurt. Avocado smoothies are not only creamy and delicious, but also packed with vitamins and minerals. Try combining avocado with banana, spinach, and almond milk for a nutrient-dense drink that can be enjoyed any time of the day. You can even use avocado as a healthy substitute for mayonnaise in sandwiches and wraps. The creamy texture of avocado makes it a perfect spread, adding moisture and flavor without the added calories and unhealthy fats found in traditional mayonnaise. The possibilities are endless. Experiment with different recipes and find your favorite ways to enjoy this heart-healthy superfood. From guacamole to avocado brownies, the culinary potential of avocados is vast. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen and discover new and exciting ways to incorporate avocados into your meals. Happy cooking! Making avocados a regular part of your diet doesn't require drastic changes. These nutrient-packed fruits are versatile and can be easily incorporated into various meals throughout your day. Start by adding slices of avocado to your breakfast eggs. This simple addition not only enhances the flavor, but also boosts the nutritional value of your meal. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins. You can also incorporate mashed avocado into your lunchtime sandwiches. Spread it on whole grain bread for a creamy texture and a dose of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. This can be a great alternative to mayonnaise or other spreads. For a delicious and nutritious snack, try guacamole with whole grain crackers. Guacamole is not only tasty, but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. Alternatively, you can enjoy guacamole with vegetable sticks like carrots, celery, or bell peppers. This combination provides a satisfying crunch and a variety of nutrients, making it a perfect midday snack. When choosing avocados, opt for ones that are slightly soft to the touch. This indicates that they are ripe and ready to eat. If they are too firm, they may need a few days to ripen. Ripe avocados will yield to gentle pressure. You can also check the stem. If it comes off easily and is green underneath, the avocado is ripe. Store unripe avocados at room temperature. Placing them on a sunny windowsill can help speed up the ripening process. Once they are ripe, you can move them to the refrigerator. Ripe avocados should be stored in the refrigerator to prolong their freshness. This can help you enjoy them over a longer period without them spoiling. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. By making simple adjustments to your diet, like incorporating avocados, you can improve your overall health and well-being. By incorporating avocados into your daily routine, you're taking a proactive step towards a healthier heart and overall well-being. These small, consistent changes can lead to significant health benefits, including better digestion, improved skin health, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Avocados are more than just a trendy food. They are a nutritional powerhouse that can significantly benefit your heart health. Packed with healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, avocados offer a delicious and convenient way to improve your cardiovascular well-being. From lowering cholesterol levels to regulating blood pressure, the science-backed benefits of avocados are undeniable. By incorporating this versatile fruit into your diet, you are making a conscious choice to prioritize your heart health. Embrace the avocado and experience the transformative power of this heart-healthy superfood. Your heart will thank you for it.